Hi, I'm Mitch. I own Petra Jewellery. Petra's my mum, she's a goldsmith, and if you're looking at having a piece of jewellery made, you're definitely in the right place. It's our bread and butter business. You can come and visit us at the Viables Craft Centre in Basingstoke, which is Hampshire, and watch the rest of this video and we'll explain to you what is involved in having a piece of jewellery made. We've got a team of designers and they all know what they're talking about. We're not retailers, so we give you proper advice about different metals and gemstones and setting styles that are going to suit your lifestyle. So I'm Mitch, I'm the lead designer, and I've got years of experience in helping people design jewellery. We've got Jo, who is also a GIA qualified, which means basically she's a diamond grading expert. And we've got the lovely Laura, who is a goldsmith graduate and also great at designing things. I understand you might never have had a bespoke piece of jewellery made, but it doesn't have to be a daunting process. It can be something as simple as you've got a stone from an old ring and you want it remounted into a new design. So we can show you examples. We will do sketches for you and we talk you through the whole process when you're here in the shop. But it can go as quickly or as slowly as you want, and every step of the way we make sure you're comfortable with what we're doing. We definitely will never make anything for you unless we know that you're sure. We never make anything without price certainty for you, and obviously design certainty as well. So this is a good example. We're taking this lady's stones out of this ring and setting them into a ring mount very similar to this with a few little tweaks. So I've done some sketches covering all the details, and I've got a breakdown all the costs, which I've sent in an email, and we've done a price for 9 carat white gold and also 18 carat white gold. Once you're happy with everything, then we get our goldsmith to make a start on whatever we're making, and I would allow a good 4 weeks, maximum 6 weeks, to have something made, and it depends a little bit on what finishes we're doing, like engraving and things like that. We'd love to see you and see if we can help, so to book an appointment, get in touch with the Petra team. Give us a call on 01256 355 945 or send us an email. We're open on Wednesdays until 8 PM, which might help, and in the meantime browse our portfolio and get some great ideas.